Did you know over 90% of product managers have started using AI tools in some form, but only 10% are using them strategically? That is the difference between playing with tools and transforming your workflow. Real product managers are using AI to validate user pain points, pressure test decisions, and simulate workflow before shipping a single line of code. If you are just asking AI to write PRDs or brainstorming features, you're barely scratching the surface. The real power? It's in how you prompt, how you measure, and how fast you learn. Explore our AI in Product Management Masterclass and product courses designed to make you future ready. Learn the tool, apply the mindset, and lead the next wave of product innovation.